In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily fix corrupted USB drive or SD card in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that you need to format that specific USB drive or SD card. So by that, open your File Explorer. You can use your keyboard, press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this one. Please navigate to the left pane, find for this PC, click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to see the devices and drives as well as your USB drive, as here is your C drive or local disk. So please select your USB drive that is being corrupted or your SD card. Make a right click and then click on format. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to open this window. Please proceed to File System. Click on this down arrow key and select for NTFS since FAT32 and exFAT is already old. Once you've set it, you can type or you can set a volume label here. In my case, just have to proceed to flash drive if you would like to, and then always check for a quick format and click on start. And here it will ask you to confirm your action, click on OK. Once you have formatted your USB drive, you need to close this window. Let me cancel this because my USB flash drive is not being corrupted, but in your case, you have to continue, so click on yes. Once done, you need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. The second solution that you need to do is that here at the bottom search bar. So this is the second step that you need to do. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed that, you need to wait until you'll be able to see a best match, which is the command prompt system. So navigate to the right side and go and run as administrator. Now click on it. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I'll be including the command text at the YouTube description. You can copy it there. The first is diskpart. You can simply paste it here, diskpart. Once done, click on the enter key in your keyboard. Wait until it would be ready before we continue. So once ready, please type for or paste the second, which is list space disk. Click on enter key and it will show you all of the disk here. So please identify your USB, your corrupted USB drive according to the size, okay? So you can open your File Explorer again, and in this way you'll be able to identify your USB flash drive according to your size, okay? Please don't choose the C drive or local disk, okay? So here, proceed to your USB drive that is being corrupted and find the size there. And once you have identified it, you'll be able to see that size here. Look at the size. In that way, you'll be able to identify that one. So once you are done, please type for select space disk, then the number of your USB drive here. Okay, that is being corrupted. Type the number, then click on the enter key in your keyboard. And once done typing, or once done clicking the enter key, it will now being the selected disk. Please type for clean. Then click on the enter key again. And the disk part succeeded in the cleaning disk. You need to close this window and proceed to the last step. So by that, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on disk management. So here at the disk management, we need to create a new simple volume out of your corrupted USB drive. So since it is already being clean at the CMD, you need to proceed to that one. It will mark here unallocated. Make a right click and click on new simple volume. Then click on next, and assign the following drop letter. Click on the down arrow key here and assign any of the following drop letter. Then once you're good, click on next. Go with the file system, click on this down arrow key and select for NTFS. Then you can put a volume label. So let's say for example, in my case, I'll be setting this one USB drive. Once you're good, please click on next and then click on finished and wait until you'd be able to successfully fix your corrupted USB drive. So there we have that. We have just successfully fixed the problem, which is your corrupted USB drive or SD card in your Windows 11. Okay. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.